Hi, in this tutorial, I will show you the authorization process of Autonami and send data through bid integrations. At first, open the bid integrations dashboard and click on Create Integration button to create an integration. Now select any trigger of your preference that you want to connect with Autonami. I am selecting Gravity Form. After completing these steps, the actions will appear on a new page. Now search and select Autonami from the actions pages that you want to integrate with your selected task or form. Here you can set the integration name of your preference. Before setting up the integration, you must confirm that the Autonami Pro plugin is activated on your site. Otherwise, the integration will not work. Click the Connect to Autonami button to complete the authorization process. After successfully authorize, then click on the Next button. After successfully authorization, select the Autonami lists from the drop-down option of your preference, which you have to create a list before on your Autonami account. You can add a tag, also multiple tags, for the contacts that you have created before on your Autonami account. After completing these steps, you can see the Autonami field. Email is a mandatory field in your Autonami account. You have to map all the necessary fields with the related Autonami field. When you enable the action skip exist contact if the contact already exists in Autonami. It will be skip contact, otherwise, it will update the contact based on email address. Now click on Next button. Finally, to save the integration process, click on Finish and Save. Now go to your selected task or form and type some information and save. Open your Autonami account to check whether the data is sent to your Akunba mail account. Thanks for watching.